Well, the Gwatney Collision Center in North Little Rock has long been a local leader in the field of collision repair, and it has a brand new manager. Here to introduce Joey Taylor is our buddy Jamie Cobb of Gwatney Buick GMC.
Good morning.
Good to see the both of you. Congratulations on the new gig. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Jamie, one of the secrets that Gwatney Buick GMC has done through the years is you've been able to get and keep good people, and it looks like you got one here.
Oh, absolutely. And Joey was worked for us previously in earlier years, and we were able to get him back, and we're glad to have him on board with us.
But I know it's good to be back.
Great, yeah. It's great to be part of the Gwatney team.
Well, talk a little bit about what you do.
Well, I am the body shop manager, so responsible for what goes on in the body shop. Big part of my job right now is our certifications, making sure we're up to date on our certifications.
Constant training, I suspect.
Constant training, yes, sir, with all the changes to the vehicles that's going on these days.
Yeah.
So that's been a huge part of what I'm working on right now.
Yeah, and the certifications, Jamie, are a big deal because you guys have really prided yourself on having the latest ability to meet whatever needs drivers have.
Sure, because not every car dealership has a collision center. So, you know, we're Buick GMC, but we fix and service all makes and models, repair all makes and models. But in order to get those what we call crash parts, structural integrity parts, you have to be certified by the OEM. So, you know, Ford, you know, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, any of those companies are not going to sell you those structural parts unless you have the certifications to install them.
Yeah, and you've got more things coming in the future, right?
Absolutely, yeah. We're always looking to add more to our production line, technicians, training. It's always growing. It's like almost like computer skills, you know, something's always changing. So you got to stay up to date. You got to have the latest equipment, and it's not cheap. It's expensive to do that.
Well, one of the things we talk about these days, I guess, in the business is this concept of calibrations. What exactly is that, and how do you work that?
Right. So ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, these are systems that are designed to help mitigate and avoid vehicle collisions by using sensors, cameras, and other technologies to assist the driver.
Yeah.
So that's your things like your lane departure, your emergency braking, your blind spot monitoring. When you have a collision, you have to check with the manufacturer on what's recommended based on the procedures that you're doing to the vehicle. And these cameras and other systems need to be calibrated after the collision.
After the collision, it doesn't need to be part of the regular maintenance, but if you've had a collision, they absolutely have to be done that way.
Correct. Based on the manufacturer guidelines, yes, sir.
Jamie, you guys do such a great job in that collision center. When people have had a collision, you've done the repair work, and they come to trade for something new. Talk about that.
Yeah, because what happens a lot of times is that an accident triggers a Carfax. Carfax is a report based on the history of the vehicle. Once that happens, they call that branded, meaning the title gets branded or the Carfax gets branded, and that can cause diminished value in your vehicle when you go to trade it in or sell it. We stand behind our work, and our integrity is if you have your car repaired at a Gwatney Collision Center, our Buick store in North Little Rock or our one on West Markham, and you come to trade it in, we're not going to diminish the vehicle for being repaired, because we feel like that we put the vehicle back to its correct position, and we're going to allow you full trade-in value on it.
Joey, I don't want to put you on the spot, but is there any make or model that you guys don't fix over there?
No, we will work on anything. We have several certifications. Currently working on a Porsche certification, which we hope to have completed by the end of this year. So we are capable.
If you can drive it, Joey and his crew can fix it for sure. If we need a repair on our car, we've had a collision, what do you recommend first steps?
A phone call to us, set up an appointment where you can come by, let us look at the vehicle, we'll write up an estimate. Even if you already have an estimate from your insurance provider, we want to look at your vehicle before we schedule the repair. If the vehicle's non-drivable, you can reach out to us. We can help facilitate getting the vehicle to the shop, and then we can take over from there.
Yeah. Jamie, anything else?
Hey, he's exactly on top of it. And the idea behind scheduling is the fact that we may not have those parts in stock. So by getting the vehicle to us, we can get a breakdown on what it needs, get the parts ordered, try to get you back in your vehicle as quick as possible. And like Joey said, if it's drivable, you may have to drive it for a little while till we get the parts and stuff in.
Yeah.
Schedule it, get it in, back to you as fast as we can.
It's all about what's most convenient for the driver. Of the
Absolutely.
vehicle. So,
Yep.
thank you guys. Appreciate it. Joey, again, congratulations,
Thank you,
man.
sir.
You're working with a good guy down there. Appreciate it. Gwatney Buick GMC. Coming back on Good Morning Arkansas right after this. Don't go away.